Yetu sasa ndo inabamba mama,
yetu sasa ndo inabamba daddy.
the way you make me feel.
Hi guys, now welcome again to TeNe YouTube family. Come with us and see our evening routine in the poultry farm. Yeah. Come and see. And you can see we are with the whole family. That's Leah, Baba Lee. Yeah, come with us guys and see how our chicks are doing. Yeah, we're gonna be updating you what we does in the evening at the farm. Yeah, we'll also be updating maybe tomorrow our morning routine. Yeah, so come with us. Also guys, if you are new in this family, kindly make sure you subscribe. Yes, we subscribe and please support us. We're gonna be happy. Yeah, I'm opening the door. Let's see. Yo, these are our, look at these, they are all grown. Wow, these are the guinea fowls. If you've seen all our videos, we updated since the one of incubation, and the chicks which were here, we've already sold them and cleared them. Yeah, so we always sell chicks. Wow, these are the only one which remained. They are so big. Oops. Yeah, and again we have our duck right here. Yeah, incubating some eggs. Shall see the end product. Wow. Now I want us to open for this so that they can go outside and have and get some greens. Yeah. And now let's open for them. It's been a week since they went outside, so I know they miss outside. Yeah. You can see how the guinea fowls are so happy. Yeah. So let's go. Wow. What? They are so happy. They missed outside there. Look at the way they are so cute. Wow. And we open for this one also. This one has been sick, that's why we have isolated it. Yeah. Let's fungua this one. So they need some water. Let me clean the utensils so that I can give them some water. If you are a poultry farmer, especially if you rear chicks, you know it's of very important. Cleanness is of a very important, so that they won't attract diseases. Yeah, let me clean. Some are here looking for water, some are over there eating some grasses. It was like a week we haven't opened for them. Yeah, so let me wash the utensils. Wow, see our guinea fowls, they are so cute, and the hen is giving them motherly love. Wow. By the way, we've heard that when you rear a guinea fowl, you should close the ears. Yeah, the ears, so that they won't hear their friends, or rather the other guinea fowls shouting. They will get lost. They will go. I don't know. Maybe if you know of that story, kindly comment down below. Look at that. Wow. Just give them some water. Yeah. Look at Lee and Baba Lee. You know they are going. Let me clean these feeders, drinkers. Yeah. They're looking for water.
Apa? Iya deh. Ni kayak apa ini kayak itu rumah jauh. Ini mana itu ya? Ini nak kayak saya unu. Pakai jam nanti ni. Kalau jauh ni kau ni. Naik ke sekolah.
Wait.
Ito na yake ni. Ila kai magaino kitanezi. Ah, una ila ame serious ni nyake.
So they are taking water seriously. They were thirsty. Come on. Ndio kwa nini? Na hiyo ndio. Ana nyala wingi. This one. Sita makita. Niongeze gani? Collected some eggs.
Hiyo ni ya siku ngapi?
2 days.
Nataka uinue hii broda uweke hapa. Inua tu, ni si mzito. Haya. Kwa hii food yao, wekelea huko juu. Wekelea huko juu kwanza. Hizo makaton zilisaidia sana. Ya. Kwani wewe waambie hiyo sio wala ulekelia. Wana ambie hiyo sio. Ngo sorry. Kunza bovyo ndivyo. Haya. Kwa ikonza ni ndio mecha. That is a laying nest, for the
small chick.
laying nest for the butter, the ducks. Safaricom. Safaricom ananichezea, anakuletea message akisema ubo wako.
Safaricom. Serious?
Hopa moto ni vigie makoweni. They are not serious.
Cleaning. makosa kabisa.
Umesweat eh?
It's a full-time job. It's a heavy duty, a heavy job.
Another modern type of drinking system called nipple drinkers.
Nipo.
Nipple.
Yes.
Yes.
Like nipo.
Nipple. Like the nipple, you know.
Lol. Let those ones dry. This my dwarf kakuku. This one lays egg non-stop. Kama mkikaona kadogo hapo. It's a full hen. Naitwa katungulu. Yeah, so we are done with the cleaning. We are done with the cleaning. We've cleaned everywhere. I collected this manure. Full bag. And so that's all. We are waiting for them to get in to sleep when their time comes. Look at Babali over there. Chicken around. Yeah, that's all. Let's wait for them to come and fix themselves and sleep right there. Yeah. Let them eat fast. Yeah, so guys, it's around 6:30 p.m. They have already started going to their sleeping areas. So you can see some of them are already there, ready to sleep. Have already started sleeping. Waiting for them so that they can all sleep. Yeah, until we call it a day well spent in the farm.